I legit think that he might be having a seizure right now, and like.
Okay, where is he right now?
In Sebastian. Like, literally, like, if I was going that fast, it couldn't have been that fast, because like we just called you guys, like, literally last week on Wednesday when he had a seizure.
All right, go ahead and turn.
Sebastian, Florida, a routine traffic stop. 1 driver, 2 officers, 10 commands ignored. What happens next will cost her more than a speeding ticket.
Hi. No, yeah. I didn't expect to get pulled over. Like, literally, I had my driver's license and, like, everything. Like, no.
Where are you coming from?
The beach.
Okay.
Yeah. Well.
Do you know how fast you were going?
No, I was literally turning from the bridge, so I wasn't.
Okay. Well, you're going
fast.
You're going 79 on a 45. That's what my laser clocked you at.
I couldn't have, because
yes, you could have.
No, because I carry my son's seizure medication, and I couldn't have. So no, there's no way.
What does that have to do with?
I couldn't have been going that fast. No.
Where are you headed?
Because his dad just texted me and was like, "Oh my God, I legit think that he might be having a seizure right now," and like.
Okay, where is he right now?
In Sebastian. Like, literally, like, if I was going that fast, it couldn't have been that fast, because like we just called you guys, like, literally last week on Wednesday when he had a seizure.
A laser clocked the vehicle at 79 in a 45, 34 miles per hour over the limit. Under Florida Statute, Section 3, 16.183, that gap converts a civil infraction into a criminal misdemeanor. Probable cause was established before the lights came on. The first exit order came within 90 seconds. Pennsylvania versus Mimms, 1977, is unambiguous. Officers may order any driver from a lawfully stopped vehicle, no further justification required. That order was constitutionally valid the moment it was spoken.
Right, go ahead and turn your car off for me.
I couldn't have been going that
Step out of the car for me.
I couldn't have been going that fast.
Please step out of the car for me.
Well, I'm trying to find I have so much receipts. I'm trying to find my license. Like, there's no way possible. Because, like, he's alert, I'm alert. Like, there's no way that, like, we could have been, like,
all right.
No.
Go ahead and step out of the car for me.
For what?
Because I said so. Step out of the car for me.
Because you said so.
Step out of the car for me. Now.
I'm not, like... For what?
Because I need to talk to you, okay?
But you're talking.
I'm trying to understand what's happening. What you're talking about.
I'm under stress right now, and like my baby daddy is telling me that like my son's not fucking. Like, I can show you the texts, and I'm literally trying to go, and like
I understand.
Like,
listen to me.
I don't even know because I'm trying to.
I get it. I get it.
No, you don't get it, because like I'm literally like.
Okay, are you able to call your baby daddy? Call him now for me so I can speak to him.
I'm under a lot of stress. My mom told me to.
Her story's not adding up.
Okay.
My story's not adding up, but about what? That was last week. Yes. You told me that I was going 70. I was going 70 down a bridge. How was I going 70 down a bridge when you can only go a specific speed limit?
Okay.
Are you
Can we talk to him?
Paul. I go by Tina. I have it on my social security and my birth certificate.
All right, Tina. I'm gonna have you step out of the car for me. Okay, let's try to figure this all out for you.
How? Like,
because I'm trying to contact.
You told me,
ma'am.
Your discovery said,
ma'am. Listen.
Your discovery said that I was going 70.
Listen.
Down the bridge.
You're not listening. You need to step out of the vehicle. No. This officer is asking you to step out of the vehicle.
She already mentioned that I was going 70
Step
down.
Step out of the vehicle.
No.
Okay.
I want to speak to your fucking... No, I want to speak to your...
Did you signal one?
I think so.
Okay. Ma'am, this officer is asking you that you're required to comply with this officer's request. All right? And if you don't, she could arrest you.
She already stated that I was going 70.
You're going 79 in a 45.
I was not going... There is no no possible like, are you kidding me?
Ma'am, you need to hang up the phone and step out of the vehicle right now. Ma'am, you need to hang up the phone and step out of the vehicle right now.
Tina refused, then refused again, 10 times. Florida Statute, Section 843.02 asks only 3 questions. Was the officer executing a lawful duty? Did the subject knowingly oppose it? Was no violence used? All 3 answered yes, in real time. Maryland v. Wilson, 1997, authorizes physical removal of any occupant who refuses a lawful exit order. That force must still pass Graham v. Connor, 1989, objectively reasonable from the officer's perspective at the moment of decision. Passive, sustained refusal across 10 commands meets that threshold.
I want to speak to your... No. Oh, okay.
We're going to do this one way or the other.
No, okay, no.
Get out of the vehicle.
I want to speak to your fucking general manager. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me right now?
Get out of the vehicle.
No. Are you kidding me right now? This is all on discovery. I have complied
Can
with
you get it?
I have complied. Why are you touching me?
That's it.
Why are you
You have to go
touching
10-15
me?
at this point.
This is a lawsuit.
Can you go on the other side?
This is a lawsuit. Why are you touching me? Why are you touching me? No, dude, why are you touching me? You're touching me because of what? Because of what? You're touching me. This is all on discovery. Why are you touching me? Why are you touching me? You're touching me because of what?
All right.
Why are you touching me? I haven't done anything. Why are you touching me?
Get out of the car.
No, why are you touching me? Why are you touching me?
Get out of the car.
Holy
Turn around. Turn around.
So you just whacked my head against the fucking concrete?
Move your hand.
Dude, I can't wait to fucking shoot you.
What'd you just say? You can't wait to shoot me?
Shoot you. Shoot you.
Move your hand.
You just can't. I can't wait to fucking see you. Oh, I can't wait to see you. I can't wait to see you. Alright.
You with your knees, get up.
No, I'm not here. No. I want. No. No. Stop touching me. Stop touching me. Stop touching me. I want to see your fucking superior. Really? This is all on discovery.
You got it?
Really? Yeah. I do, because you guys are going to be in a lawsuit.
On the other side.
You're going to lose your fucking job. Both of you.
Okay.
Both of you. No, because my legs are fucking fucked up. You're going to, like, this is all in discovery.
Right.
I haven't done shit. I haven't done shit, bitch. I haven't done shit.
Where is it? You got it?
I haven't done shit. Don't worry. It's all in discovery. Your fucking body cams. So what are you gonna do now? Because I can't wait until I talk to my goddamn lawyer.
Tina, I'm talking to you. I'm gonna ask you a question, okay?
Cool. Do you want a mac and chips? Do you want a cookie?
No, I'm not hungry.
I really don't care.
Alright, well, you show signs. You show.
Let me tell you, I won't speak to you until I have my fucking lawyer present. Okay.
Alright, well, don't speak to me. You can listen to me, though.
Don't talk to me until my lawyer is present.
Alright, well, you show signs of impairment. Would you be willing to do the standardized field sobriety exercise?
Don't speak to me until my lawyer.
Okay, I'll take that as a no. I'll take that as a no. You will still be charged with a DUI, just to let you know.
Don't speak to me until my lawyer is present.
Okay.
End of the speech. Don't speak to me until my lawyer is present. That's what I gotta say to you.
You're gonna get a DUI. That's all I gotta say to you.
Cool. Really? Okay.
With Tina secured, the DUI investigation began. Florida Statute Section 3, 16.193 covers more than alcohol. Impairment by any chemical substance, including prescription medication, qualifies if it affects normal faculties. Observable behavior alone can satisfy reasonable suspicion under Terry v. Ohio, 1968. She refused field sobriety testing. Under Florida's implied consent law, Section 316.1932, that refusal is admissible at trial as evidence of consciousness of guilt. A driver's license is implied consent. Refusal does not exit the investigation. It becomes part of the prosecution. Tina then invoked her right to counsel clearly. Berghuis versus Thompkins, 2010, requires officers to cease substantive questioning at that point. The officer's follow-up statement regarding the DUI charge falls into the category of advisement, not interrogation, a legally meaningful distinction. Case outcome: guilty plea to reckless driving, DUI reduced. Resisting charge dropped. 12 months probation, 50 hours community service. By June 2025, the remaining service hours were converted to a $400 payment. The most serious charge never became a conviction. Lead officer, grade B. Legally sound throughout. The deduction: limited de-escalation during Tina's documented emotional distress. A 30-second acknowledgement of the family emergency before physical removal was available and not taken. Backup officer, grade B+. Accurate, calm, professional, no contribution to escalation. Tina, grade C+. She knew her rights, invoked counsel correctly, cited discovery, understood the body cam, but she applied that knowledge at the wrong moment. The refusal to exit didn't challenge the speed reading. It created a resisting charge that didn't exist 60 seconds earlier. Legal awareness without legal timing is expensive. 3 takeaways. 1. Comply first, contest in court. Under Mimms, the exit order is non-negotiable at roadside. Every refusal is another element of a new charge. 2. Implied consent is not optional. Refusing testing hands the prosecution a ready-made exhibit. 3. Invoke rights early and then stay silent. Tina's invocation was correct but late. The best time to exercise the right to counsel is before the conversation begins. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to cover in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and check out our second channel, Street Bodycam, for more police interaction and courtroom content.